Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can view your achievements and claim rewards in Abyss. If you're missing out on free cash, star shards, and exclusive badges, so many players don't realize that Abyss tracks almost everything that you do in the game. And in here, I'm going to show you exactly where the achievement menu is hidden and the fastest way to grind out the deep diver milestone. So what you need to do in here is just click on this button at the top left. This one, it's like a badge icon. So this is where you can see your achievements. And here the total progress of me is 7%. And as you guys can see, if you pass a certain milestones, you can get free rewards like this. You can just click on claim, and I receive 5-star shards, and also for this one. So the rewards are different for each milestone, so you can just finish this, you can get more rewards. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks.